guys, what's up? It's me, Arch, and this guy.
And
what's your name?
My name's Delano.
Delano.
Yeah.
So, basically, we're going to do some stuff today. I'm not going to tell you because it will probably be saying on the title if you read it. If you don't read it, it'll be a surprise for you. And if you do read it, you will already know.
Yeah.
So, I don't really need to tell you what we're doing today. So, yeah, we're going to be doing stuff to try and
we're trying to break these. Yeah.
Okay, we're trying to break Superman.
Yeah, and this guy.
This no-legged adventurer.
And
Stretch Arms. He's been in a lot of videos before, hasn't he?
Yes,
but we've never actually tried to break him. So
no, we've never tried to break him.
yeah, so first it's the stretching. Take one arm.
Okay.
No, an arm, not a leg.
I'm sorry.
Not an arm and a leg. So we're starting now. Oh God! In future videos, no. Really, when we tried to do this before and it didn't go on YouTube, he's been trying to put his legs on my tinkle. This is what he's not stretched very far. Dills, you need to go back. Go back. I'm not moving. Oh God.
Oh
God.
Stretch got me.
Oh my God. It's cheese string feel. I think. I had to let go. Give me Stretch Armstrong. So, Stretch Armstrong has pop. Don't pop it. Yeah. Pop by itself.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to do this, guy. I'll do this on my own. Okay, he passed.
Yeah, he passed.
Okay, pop. Get his arm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's so hard.
Okay.
This is the hardest one. I had to let go.
Okay, so all of them have passed so far.
Yeah, and
Now we're going to take you on top of my bed. We're just going to throw these guys up there. It's we can throw them.
I'll throw them down.
No, don't throw them down. I'm going to.
Okay.
We're going to pass the camera to Dylan.
Oh, thanks.
Well,
Hi,
you know that's upside down. Oh yeah, that's upside down. So, just going to turn around because that was upside down.
Sorry,
So, now we are going to drop the action figures
down
from quite a big height. Well, it's not that big actually.
If we stand up,
From it's not that high. I don't know how high you think. So I'm gonna be doing the throwing. So the first one we're going to do is Superman. So we're dropping him down from the ceiling because I'm pretty tall. Dropping him down from the ceiling. So look. There we drop him. Hey, Dylan! Dylan, what? Why did you do that?
Just put one down.
You're not going to. Sorry, you won't do that. Okay, Dills, hold the camera. You're not throwing anything down.
I'm not in the video.
Sorry, guys. Okay, I didn't want Dylan to be in the video. I just needed a little bit of help. Because of the camera stuff. Now we're going to throw Stretch Armstrong from an even bigger height.
So I was stupid then.
Yeah. So like we're going to just throw him like that. Like
And it might stick on the wall. No.
okay, we just threw him. It didn't stick on the wall like Dylan expected. So we're going to go down
Oh, sorry.
and check them.
Archie, I'm a bit scared.
So you don't have to do it. So like we do have some scratches. We do have some scratches on Superman from that, but like nothing's fallen off of him.
I'm
Now
back.
we have this guy, like he's absolutely fine. His legs are still off. Now we have this guy. There's not even a scratch on him. Not even a scratch on him.
His pants.
Yeah, his pants, because like a little bit of the blue has rubbed off. That was already there, like. I don't know what else we can. Oh, I know what to do. As you can see, we have
A chair.
this chair here.
Like we.
So that we sit on.
Yes.
So we no. Can you move? Can you move?
Yeah.
Like, I really.
We're gonna
like,
stand on it.
We're going to put this through here. Actually, no. We're going to put that like that through there. Then we're going to put his legs like that.
Guys.
And now we're going to pull it. Dills, I need you to hold the chair at the back.
Okay.
Look, can you hold the chair there? Like, oh, hold it as oh, like we're stretching him so bad. Like, look. Oh. Okay, I just think Stretch Armstrong. I just.
And we got my different.
Oh, I've got another idea. So, like, we're going to place Steels. Can you move? Can you move your foot? Can you move your foot?
Cool.
So, Stretch Armstrong is
Yeah, guys. This is
here.
I'm laying on the cover.
Dylan is going to be here, but you might want to move out of the way because I'm going to jump on Stretch Armstrong.
Ah!
I'm going to jump on this guy. So I'm going to go to the top, and then I'm going to jump on him. I wonder what's going to happen, like. I really don't know. I don't know if we should drop something on him or something. That went on his legs. Like, I'm going to try to get it here. So I'm going back to the top for my second jump.
Come on, Dylan has his friends.
I don't know how good that was, but like, as you can see, just got a little bit squashed. Nothing real bad happened.
No.
So now we're probably just going to drop a chair on him.
Oh,
Like, I'm going to move Stretch Armstrong quite far away from you because I don't want it to hit you. I have no idea how this is going to work.
no, Archie, the iPad is there.
I know the iPad's there. Deals. We just dropped it on him. We just dropped him on him. Just dropped the chair on him.
Guys,
Comment down below if you can see any scratches on him at all. I certainly can't. Don't know if you can.
Delano,
I just think we're not going to be able to break it.
Delano can
Like,
definitely
I don't know.
not see
Like, my
it.
mum said to not go out of my room. But this isn't coming out of my room. Oh, Deals. Take the camera. Hold up the camera. Like, move your thumb because they can't see. Like, maybe you should, like, hold it there. Okay, so that's perfect. So, guys, make sure to turn the camera on me, Deals. Make sure you can see me. Okay, so, guys.
I just want to be.
Hold
in
it like this. Hold it like
I just want
this.
to be in this video.
So, like, put it down. So, guys, as you can see, I'm barehanded because Dylan is the cameraman right now. So, we are going to slam the door on him. Oh, the door is shut. Dills, can you show them Stretch Armstrong in the door. So, Stretch Armstrong. Stretch Armstrong just pushed open
Oh, now
the door.
Max.
Stretch Armstrong pushed open the door.
Right.
Like, I'll try
Tails,
let go of me. Let go.
I'll try for the outside.
Oh, I think we've got our first mark. There. We have just a tiny, tiny scratch. I need to find something heavy to drop on him. Like, comment down below if you can see anything heavy that I should use for this video. Like, I don't know how to break him. Like, oh yeah, but we've forgotten to do all of this to the other guys.
Oh.
Now we have to drop a chair on him and this guy. I need to jump on these two. So like, we're going to do this now.
I'll do the chair.
No, I'm going to jump on the chair. No, I'm going to throw the chair. I'm not going to jump on the chair. Why would I jump on the chair? So like, moving the chair. I really don't want to jump on this guy. I think it will hurt. But I don't care. As long as I get subscribers and likes, I don't care what I do. But one thing I'm not going to do is make myself nearly kill me. Oh, ow, that hurt, that hurt, that hurt, that hurt. We're going to do it one more time, like we did it twice to Stretch Armstrong. Ow! That really hurt! Like, I can't.
Yeah? Come here. I'm coming.
It's been like 12 minutes we've been trying to break them. Like, I'm going to end when it gets to 15 minutes, I guess. Maybe more. Like, now we're going to jump on this guy. This may be near to impossible, but I'm gonna try. Like, if I had any weapons, I would totally like try to break them with that. Just jumped on it. Perfect landing. See if anything else happens. Don't know what else. Really, like, I don't see any damage. Do you? Comment down below. Like, okay, do you see any damage from the top? Anywhere, like, I don't. So, now we're going to be dropping a chair from Superman. I think the action figures will beg down for mercy at this point. 3, 2. What the heck? Look at Superman, like. I'm just gonna try to break his legs. This just won't work. Like, this just won't work. Now we're gonna try with this guy. Like, comment down below if you think this guy will survive this. It's been 40 minutes. Like, I'm definitely gonna do it longer than 15. Probably. Like, I want to try as hard as I can to break these guys. Well, I guess he survived. I cannot believe what these guys have survived. Like, I hope this works. Oh, where's my belt? I hope this doesn't break my belt. I'm I'm gonna drop. Boom. I hope that didn't break.
Did it break?
No. Did this break? No. Now I have to do it to this guy. Okay, I don't think that broke. No. Oh my god. You don't have anything else. Like, I don't know what to do. Guys, I think it may come down to this. That these guys. Actually, no, this guy has basically been defeated. So basically, we've defeated one, so you don't want in our video anymore. So we have 2 more to break. Like, guys.
Mommy, actually.
Oh, Jills, like.
Because Daddy just called me, it's because I'm now still riding on a horse, but I lose.
I really don't know what to do. We're not allowed to go outside of my.
Got this light. Can I turn the light? 'Cause
No.
we've got this. Can I just test? 1 minute.
No.
1 minute.
No. I just don't know what we can do. I don't want to be defeated. Like, I don't want to be said defeated. I just don't want to be defeated.
Yeah. You know what? You just don't want to be defeated. That's just.
I don't know what to do. Like, I feel defeated. But like, there's only one last thing I can do.
What?
But that means I have to come out of my room. I have to come out of my room.
I'll go and ask
Any
Mummy.
chance.
I need to go and ask Mummy.
Or maybe break it.
Mummy? Mummy?
I really don't
Are we
know.
allowed to come out of our room? We're allowed out of our room.
Are we allowed to film out of our room? I really hope we're allowed to film out of our room because, like...
You need to do it.
Oh, I've got an idea, Dills. You keep the YouTube fans company with some jokes.
Okay.
And I'll drop these guys down the stairs.
Hi guys, I'm gonna do some jokes today. So knock knock. Who's there? I eat poo. You eat poo. Ooh.
Dills, keep them company with some really good jokes.
And knock knock. Who's there? Why did the chicken want to cross the road? Because we want to go shopping. And then knock knock. Who's there? And then they had a cat interrupted cow. Moo! And then I oh, which one should I do? Oh, and then knock knock. Who's there? Lion wanted to be for the king, like his father. Then he wanted to go to his father and say, could I be the king? And then, knock, knock, who's there? Then it would be Sprouts. Sprouts are rubbish. Ooh, Sprouts are stupid.
Ham and cheese.
Oh, the stupid Sprouts are disgusting.
I cannot believe this.
I did so many.
They didn't break. They didn't break. I really thought that was going to be the end of both of them. But no.
I did as many jokes
Bye.
as I could.
I hope you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications and comment what you want my next video to be. So, bye for now. Be here soon. I am defeated.
And have
Bye.
a good Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.